Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose, or Amazon Kinesis Firehose, provides an easy and reliable way to load streaming data to AWS destinations such as data lakes, data stores, and analytics services. The streaming data can be captured, transformed and delivered to Amazon S3, Amazon Redshift, Amazon OpenSearch Service, and third-party service partners such as Datadog, New Relic, and Splunk. It is a fully managed service that automatically scales to match the throughput of your data and eliminates the need for ongoing administration. Amazon Kinesis Firehose allows you to configure batching, compression, and encryption of your data streams before loading, minimizing the amount of storage used and maximizing security. You can easily create a Firehose delivery stream from the AWS Management Console, configure it with a few clicks, and start ingesting thousands of data streams to your AWS destinations. You can also configure your data streams to automatically convert the incoming data to open standard formats, like Apache Parquet and Apache ORC before the data is delivered. Amazon Kinesis Firehose benefits: near real-time delivery. You can specify a batch size or batch interval to control how quickly data is uploaded to their cloud destinations. For example, for new data you can set the batch interval to 60 seconds and the service will return processed data within that time frame. Additionally, you can specify if the data should be compressed. The service supports common compression algorithms including gzip, Hadoop, zip, and Snappy. Batching and compressing data before uploading enables you to control your data delivery speed. Integrated data transformations. Amazon Kinesis Firehose is integrated with AWS Lambda to allow you to transform your streaming data before it is loaded to their AWS destinations. The Amazon Kinesis Firehose console allows you to choose and configure the Lambda function, and it will then automatically apply that function to every input record processed. Amazon Kinesis Firehose provides pre-built Lambda blueprints that you can use out of the box for converting common data sources such as system logs to JSON format, or you can customize and create your own blueprints. Pay-as-you-go pricing. With Amazon Kinesis Firehose, you are charged only for the volume of data transmitted to the AWS destination, as well as data delivery fees to Amazon VPC. Optional fees may apply for data format conversion. With Amazon Kinesis Firehose you eliminate minimum usage fees or upfront costs. You don't need staff to operate, scale, or maintain infrastructure or custom applications to load and capture streaming data.